Fear is back into Bitcoin and the cryptocurrencies world. You want to know everything about that? The last information? Then smash the like button. It's time for Crypto News, Crypto to the Max with your host Rodrigo Arnedo. And today we are in fear again with Bitcoin. That's what you need to know, that Bitcoin dropped in the last days and we are down from the $60,000 line, which is not good whatsoever. 58,867, and everybody's sad because we were expecting an October, and by now 11th we are just tired of waiting like these monkeys. We are in the red 4.44 as the moment of recording this video, and we were promised 3 last months into the green as we had in 2015, 2016, and 2023. So what's going on there? But any case, today, of course, as always, we're going to tell you about the good stuff and the bad stuff on Bitcoin. We're going to be pessimistic, optimistic. Nobody knows what's going to happen, not even Satoshi Nakamoto, whoever he is. And you have here this information, very interesting, that we told you in previous videos, which is that the last time we had October in the red was in 2018 and 2014, and we are not in a similar situation. We were in bear markets. So story suggests that October, even though right now it's in the green, and this is not financial advice, I have no idea whatsoever what's going to happen, but it should probably end into the green. We'll see about that. And today we go a step further in this analysis, and we go to CoinGlass to watch not just the monthly, we saw the quarterly sometimes, but we are going to check the weekly. And you can see that ahead of us, the 3 weeks we have ahead of us historically has been good for Bitcoin. In all these weeks you have here 33 weeks, if we consider all these 3 since 2013, you can see that just 6 of them were in the red, and some of them just 1%, something like that. So yeah, probably green ahead of us, probably so. You can follow this, of course, on CoinGlass. I'm gonna leave you the link in the description below, and you can go to the monthly as we usually do, or you can go even to the daily, quarterly, as I'm telling you, or weekly as we have here. And you can check out 2023 last year. We had this 41 week, 41st week in the red, but then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 weeks in a row were in the green. If we consider 2016, also everything in the green, the whole last part of the year. Well, we had this minus 1.42 and this minus 0.66, but almost everything green, and almost everything green in 2015, unless this 45th week and the 51st. So we'll see about that. Right now we're going to check this in every video, so watch it all. Remember to smash the like button also, and remember that in previous videos we told you this might happen, that we could go like in election years all the way up with October in the green, but we had 2012 that you can't see it on CoinGlass because we just have data till 2013, and in 2012 we have it with TradingView, link in the description below. Well, there you have it. There's an October in the red, so we told you that maybe we need to be a little bit more patient, and then in November we are going to finally go up. If you want to know about that, watch previous videos. Also remember to watch the last one about Satoshi Nakamoto's identity. It's going really well, this video, a lot of views, but spoiler alert, here Adam Back said on Amsterdam Bitcoin that we are never going to know who Satoshi Nakamoto is, whatever the documentary is saying. And now back to our crazy charts. Remember, we created this with all Octobers since 2016, it seems now that we are going down as we did in the green one this 2018. We don't want that. But also we have to consider that 2012, I told you that wasn't here. Because in this chart with all the percentages that we might be having optimistic ones in the future, we now draw the pessimistic scenario, which is 2012. And if we adjust the chart, you can see that the movement of Bitcoin price is being quite similar. And if that's the case, we might not go up as we were expecting with these three scenarios, but down. How much? Maybe around 18%. That would bring us to $49,000, $50,000 for one Bitcoin. Do you think this is possible? Do you think this is crazy? Well, this is the Bitcoin chart situation, and we are getting closer to the gap of the CME futures. And also, we were happy, thumbs up to this scenario compared with 2023, but we lost again the yellow path. So the drop of 17% that we told you in previous videos to $53,000 comes back into the cards. What happened? Well, we knew that inflation fell to 2.4, and that's the lowest level in 3 years. But we have bad data in the CPI, and that's not good. That's a rise of 3.3%, first increase since March 2023, and also unemployment in the United States above expectations. So bad data there that maybe affected the market. We'll see about that. And dollar keeps on going higher after the Fed decision, which is not what we were expecting, but well, we told you about that also in previous videos. If we go to the stock market, China is going down. This is not good. Now markets out there going down like Japan, gold is going down. And yeah, we are not having good time out there, even though China is allegedly using all these policies, economic policies that will bring money into the market. And that was a good idea. Also, we have more good news. South Korea's SEC forms a committee to discuss the approval of Bitcoin and crypto ETFs that would allow institutions to buy Bitcoin and crypto. Also, we know that Argentina is surpassing now Brazil in crypto inflows, so adoption in Argentina. And also, Suriname presidential candidate Maya Parfo said that Suriname will be next Bitcoin country and Bitcoin Amsterdam. Also, again, Japanese public company Metaplan buying another 1 yuan billion worth of Bitcoin, the Japanese MicroStrategy. And from the US regulator, the SEC's crypto approach called a disaster for the whole industry. That was Commissioner Mac Uyeda. So they are retracting, saying they did wrong. Interesting. Also, that 9.57 trillion chart swap survey shows almost half of respondents plan to invest in Bitcoin and crypto ETFs. More institutions coming into Bitcoin, and also good from Stripe. Now, crypto payments, Stripe is officially back, and that's a good one as you can use it in 150 countries. They will be able of using this stable coin USDC. So a very important one. And also from Qatar, a rumor. Qatar might add Bitcoin as payment method for real estate deals. That would be amazing. And maybe it is good, maybe not if you are an affected person with this, that Mt. Gox has extended its repayment deadline by a year to October 31st, 2025. That means that fear that we had that all this Bitcoin was going to be sold, well, they can't because now we have a longer deadline. And remember that from FTX is the other way around. Creditors will start having their dollars, or I don't know, maybe stable coins. I'm not sure about that. We told you about this in previous videos, but they might buy crypto. So that would be a good one when we have this strange information. We have quietly, possibly, the most unhide linked update I've ever seen, says Alex Liverman, former co-CEO of FTX, heads to federal prison today to serve 7.5 years, but not before he drops this banger on social. Happy to share that I'm starting a new position as an inmate at FCI Cumberland on prison. So crazy in my opinion. Back to Bitcoin chart. This is the weekly. Remember that we might be in this descending trend line, even though we have support in the $60,000 line. And some people a little bit tired of this channel that we are following all the time, just posting things like this. We are trapped there like in prison break. We are never gonna break this. There's always bad news. That's a bummer. And well, any case, Miles Dodge here saying that 52K is a real possibility once we lost 59. And on the other way around, Ali telling us that, well, maybe finally after that bounce, we break $66,000 and we finally can say that we are out of this trend. Titan of Crypto trying to cheer us up with this chart with higher lows. We'll see about that. And long time no seen, Magic Poon Canun telling us that yes, we might go down to 50 something, but that eventually we are in this descending channel that will bring us to 100K and then to close to 340K. That would be amazing. Cointelegraph goes further. Bitcoin price targets 135K in 2025 if it can avoid a 25% dip. In the bubbles, we have Hex there. Why? And we have FTT now going down. Crazy. The bubbles are out there today. And this chart from altcoins, from Max, telling us that it seems the situation right now is similar to October 2022. What do you think about this? Maybe everything ready for the parabola? We're waiting for it for a long time. Watching with our partners all this information on dextools.io, of course. And remember that you have a contest with Trezor. You can win a Trezor Save 3 plus an onboarding session with a Trezor expert. I'm going to leave you the link in the description below with the easy instructions in order to participate in that draw. And remember, you have discount in the Model 1 and Model T, also link in the description below. You have the link in the description below to coin tracking, all the partners. Thank you very much to all of them. And if you need a portfolio tracker, well, this is the best. This is the one I use, and you have that discount. Be ready for the future, as we have all the information coming from Elon Musk and the robots and the taxis that are self-driven. So interesting future that he's building, and we tell you everything about that in our channel about AI. So go and watch it right now. Just time for having some fun with this guy that keeps on believing Bitcoin is going to be in 100K at some point. Also time for a cat, of course. Remember, do not be your own enemy and have fun playing with yourself. Why not? Enjoy life learning about crypto, of course, here on CryptoNews with Rodrigo Arnedo. Health, money, love, pouring in peace, and the best is yet to come. To the moon!